Welcome back to Philbrook. Today we going to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of a behind the scenes view of our annual pond cleaning. We clean the pond, like I said, once a year, and we do it for a few different reasons. One of the main reasons is this is a reflecting pool, so it's just as far as aesthetics, we like to have a chance to drain the pool, get all the leaf litter out, and clean up the aquatic beds. It's a reflecting pool, but it's also a koi pond. So we like to create the best habitat we can for our koi here at Philbrook. So what happens over a year's span, like I said, the leaf litter comes in, but the fish also create a lot of sludge. And what that'll do is it'll deplete the oxygen levels within the pond. So we like to take the chance once a year to drain the pool down and really get all of that stuff, clean it out of there to create the best habitat we can for the koi. And then I would say the third reason, this year we're taking a little extra time to clean out a lot of the aquatic beds. So we've had a lot of weed seeds come in, a lot of invasive grasses. So this year we're taking out we're taking out a lot of that stuff and replanting what we do want to keep. And then in the summer, we actually have some more aquatic plants that we're going to bring in and plant later on in the summer. So that's just a little bit of why we clean the pond here. And I hope that was informative for you guys, and we'll see you next time.